Hey everybody, Joe here. Gonna check out a puzzle today by ChinStrap called Compression Algorithm. The rules are Squish Doku. Place the digits 1 through 9 once each in every 3x3 box with no repeats in any row or column. Cells on region borders. Dashed lines are simultaneously part of the 3x3 boxes on both sides of the line. Index lines, the digit in the nth cell along a teal line starting from the diamond indicates the position along the line where the digit n appears. For example, if a diamond cell contains a 3, the third cell along that line must have a 1. Okay. And that is all the rules. So, can I draw on these? No. So those... I wonder if I could... I don't know if this will be... I don't know if this will be helpful or if it will be worse. Let me just try to give them a slight... Yeah, I don't know about all that. I don't know. Anywho, let's try it out. Without the colors. Yeah. Alright. 1 through 9 once each in every 3x3 box. Yep. So these are nothing but index lines. They're not region sum or anything like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That will have all 9 digits on it. Everything will be indexing something. It could index itself though, like this could be a 9. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like these are only 1 through 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are only 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see that that's a combo there. So this will be a high number. Six, 7, 8, 9. So 9, 8, 7, 6. So 9 can only go in those on this line. If this is a 9, then that's a 6. But it doesn't limit the others to this. Because like I said, 9 could be there. And then these higher numbers could be way down here. It does limit to 9 though, but I guess that's it. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or, wait, that's actually 6. this is going to be interesting, isn't it? Because why? Because two of these numbers will be here, and one will be here. Two of these numbers will be here, and one will be here. But this number, in particular, will not be there. But it means that none of those are 5. It means that 5 is in this column. It means that this is 6, 7, 8, or 9. These 3. So this one is obviously neither of those two. It could be that or that. This one is going to go on one of those as well. How do I color this? Color it up. Nice. I'll need every digit in the boxes. So this digit won't repeat. So this digit right here will be here somewhere. But it won't be here. Okay. Because then it'll be seeing the entire line basically. And none of these on the line is going to be a repeat. Okay, how do I want to do this? Do I make these? I guess it doesn't, maybe it doesn't matter too much. We'll start like this. And blue, well actually let's do this one next, because it has to go, yeah, it has to go in one of these two. So it goes in one of these two. And then, so blue here can only go in one of those. Green and red are in one of those. Which one, or wait, does one go over here? where would that go? One will have to go into this box. And it'll have to be that one. It'll have to be that one, won't it? Wait, green and red. Green, red, blue can not go there. Neither can pink. That's 4 of them. There's only 3 in this box. But none of them can go there. So one must go here. So is it... It's not blue. Red or green has to go right here. Which means that it's 1, 2, 3, or 4. Which is not 9, believe it or not. 1, 2, 3, or 4. So one of these are 8. And this will put... Okay. So blue is already in the bottom 2. That'll put it in the top. Alright. Green or red will be there. Oh. Well. It can't be blue. Or could it be blue? No, because if green or red are here, where are they going to go here? And the answer is nowhere. In this 3x3 box. Green and red went there. So this is not blue. And this is. And now blue is in this whole column of 3x3 box, or these boxes is what I'm trying to say. And those 3x3s, there's 3 of them there, they're all squished. Squishy. So, whatever this one is the one that goes there. And that's going to index at 8 somewhere. And yeah. So blue needs to go in one of those places, which is all good in the hood. Blue has got to go in one of these. See what else. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's in the third box here, okay? So are all of them in? This one will be in top 2 boxes. This one will be in the other. Okay. So, pink maybe? This green, red will need to make... It won't be there. It'll be in one of those. Blue is in one. Wait a minute. Blue is gonna be be in those top three because of that one. Bottom three because of that one. Blue is in one of these. So if it's this one, it'll have to be in there. If it's this one, it'll have to be down here. I think either one of those would work. If it's this one, it has to appear in one of those. And it would appear in that 2x2, and it would appear in one of these. It seems okay. So the other green red, that is this one, cannot be there. It's in one of these. It doesn't seem too restricted. Oh, this pink does though, doesn't it? As it cannot be in here because of those two. It cannot be in this row. It must be in this box. It cannot be there. It goes in one of these two. Okay. Pink is 1, 2, 3, 4. If it goes here, then it's in this box. It would also be in this box. It would also be in this box. It would also be in this box. And it would go in one of those. Which is fine, it looks like. Either way, these three are done. That's not saying enough, I don't think. If it is here, well, then it could be there. Right, it would basically have a lot to play with. I guess I could do like this. This is going to need to be in one of those. Yeah. That would work, I think. So it'll have to be the high, one of the highs here. And then it won't be able to go there, so it'll make a pair with pink here. And although that could be 6, that is unfortunate. We can almost rule that out from being yellow, but not quite, because that could be 6, and that could be 6. So but then we have, where does this cell go? Is this the 5 then? Oh, well, let me back up. This could have just been yellow, huh? Because it would have been in both. I have to be careful about that. As in this cell. Actually. Or would it be this one? Maybe this cell does belong in that corner. Where else would it go? Can't be pink, but it could be 5, I guess. And then it would be in all 3. But then again, if it's here, it could be 5 as well, and it would be in all 3. Maybe that's not the correct cell. Maybe it's this one. A lot of cells over here though. This one could be this one or this one. Yeah. Well, wait, what about the 5? The 5 is one of these. The 5 is one of these, yes. So the 5 does not go here. The 5 does not go here. Because both of these are in that one. Okay. What else? This one right here. It cannot be any of those 3. Yeah, this one is the one I want. Because this one will be down here. Ah, yeah. And then this one. Or couldn't this be 5 though? Ooh, maybe not. What about this one then? This one. Maybe it is. Why did I say this had to be in one down? Yeah, why doesn't this one work like that? Oh, because I don't know which one of those. These were packed full, I see. So this cell could be a 5. What about this one? This one, it could be down here as well then. This one will need to make an appearance in both. Or wait. Why can't I do this? I could go there. But it does not have to. It could be the center one. What is this center one? I mean, it'll be in one of these, right? It's not yellow. It's not anything that I have currently. I mean, it is safe to say that that is a different color. But it goes here or here. But then this one. What's the other 1, 2, 3, 4? oh yeah, it's pink, right. So where in the heck is 5? And why couldn't 5 have went down here? Ah, because then it would not have appeared in that box. That's fair enough. Ah, if it's here, if 5 is here, then it never appears on this index. 5 cannot be there. Very good. That is 5. And now we know this is not 5. And that should put it up in the corner. Because it can't be any other color that we have at the moment, right? I don't believe so. It can't be that one. It can't be 5. So it is there. That's brown. So brown cannot be here, cannot be there. Brown isn't one of those. Dang, this is confusion. So pink cannot be there, cannot be there, cannot be there, cannot be there, because those both belong to that. Pink isn't one of these, light pink. Blue. Blue could be there though. Oh, pink could be there. That's not necessarily light pink. You gotta be careful about those. Because these corner ones here, or the shared ones, could really screw me up there. But we are gonna need 9 digits, aren't we? But we do have to be careful because not all 9 digits are in every row, column, or box. How many colors do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 colors. And none of these can be. That cannot be red, cannot be green, cannot be blue, cannot be light pink, cannot be yellow, cannot be bright pink, cannot be brown. So that is a different number for show. And 5 is a different number for show. Let's give 5 a number. It deserves one. And then this will be our last number. That is 9. We have 9 numbers. And I'm missing one in this row, which is... No, I can't do it like that. I can't say I'm missing one in the row. Or, well, maybe I can, actually. It would be between the row and the 3x3 box. Well, let's just go through. Can't be red, can't be green, can't be blue, can't be light pink, can't be yellow. It could be bright pink. Could be bright pink or dark purple. This could be bright pink or dark purple. But then, okay, so what about this one? Can't be red, can't be green, can't be blue, can't be light pink, Can't be yellow. This could be bright pink. Can't be brown. Can't be blue. Can't be dark purple. So that one can only be bright pink. So now, I think that one has to be dark purple. This one has to be bright pink. Okay. Colors galore. 5. So we got a light blue down here. Purple is 6, 7, 8, or 9. What is light pink is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Can't take anything out of there yet. Light pink though is gonna finish like 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So these 3 are high. Let me mark the originals. Those are 6, 7, 8, 9. That is... and this one cannot be 9. Brown cannot be 9, because that would take out all the possible 9s there. So, brown cannot be 9. Oh, this cannot be 9 either. Yellow. Those could. That doesn't necessarily give me a 9 there, though, does it? If 9 goes here, 9 would go there. That would not be blue. It doesn't necessarily mean anything, because 9 could still be, and that would be 7. 9 would probably be dark purple then, which I think is okay. Alright, so we continue. So we're gonna have some blue, yeah, all of the colors. Let's see. So blue, green, red, light blue, and maybe light pink. Maybe it's on there. Well, light pink does have to be on there. But it could go over here and be there if it was. Yeah, it could. Okay, so this one, out of the small numbers. Oh, wait. No, because it could even be pink. I mean, it could be a high number as well. With that rascally 6 there. So we need to find something else. Brown. Brown can go in any of those. If brown goes here, brown will go in one of those. That's okay, I think. I do find some high digits over here though, and they're not on this line, I can start ruling out 8. Like, if I found one in this cell maybe? The only high digit this could be is dark purple. Can this be a low digit? This is blue. Yeah, it could be a lot of low digits. Okay. Let's think about... Oh no, I can't really. Maybe 5? One of these have to be blue, don't they? Which means the middle still needs a blue. It has to go in one of these. Is there anything else that has to go in one of these? I don't think so. Well, it'll be... Oh no? Not necessarily. This could go down here. Well, it would go in one of these 4, wouldn't it? Yeah. Okay. Do I think about some digits, maybe? Kinda do the puzzle, if you will. Dark purple. I'm gonna get a lot of 4 sections, aren't I? How did I... Oh yeah. Well... Dark purple doesn't go there. Well, it's already in this box, basically. So dark purple goes in one of these. Could be a slew of them. But the point is... Right. Okay. Dark purple's in one of these. With blue. And those create a pair. And then there'll be another one that does that with light pink, I would imagine. Oh, what color is it? Oh, it's light blue. Light blue has to be in this middle box. So it goes there with that one. Which one goes with brown? Is it gonna be that one? No. It's gonna be one of those, isn't it? Oh, this one will go up here. This one could go up there as well. I need 3 of them up here. What are those? It'll be one of... No, it won't be either one of those. Oh, it'll be these 3. Purple will go in one of these. Green and red. Sounds good. Which two are left to place here? It's gonna be one of green and red, and bright pink. Yeah, bright pink. Goes in one of those with green or red. I almost wonder if I should color this one a main color. And that one a main color. I might swap them. Though I'll know which way they track this way. But we'll see. So now purple could still be 9. Light pink, however, cannot. So light pink is not 9. Oh. I take that back. Light pink could most definitely be 9. It could index itself on the line. Brown cannot be 6, since 6 would not go anywhere on the index. That's good. What else? Do I do that now? Wait, let me look at this first. Maybe... So green is there or there. Can't be both. So if it was here, it would have to go there. Green would. And green. Oh. Do I not know which one it was? I thought I had sorted that. I thought I had sorted that out. Maybe not. Guess not. I could change those around, I think. But then all I would get was that it's not that one. So I think this is actually better. Maybe. One of them, green or red, is here. This cannot be green or red, or blue, or light pink. I don't think this can be a low number. My low numbers are light pink, which is there, so it cannot be light pink. It cannot be dark blue. Oh, it could be the green or the red. pink could be 6. If this was 6, that would be 2. And then what color would that be? That would be light pink. So that would be 2. That would be 1. That would be 1 indexing itself. Oh, and that's broken, isn't it? Oh no, what'd I say? If this is 6, if that is 6, this has to be 2, and that would be light pink, that would be 2, that would be 1. This dark blue would be 1, that would be indexing itself, light pink is 2. So if this is 2, light pink, that would be 3, that would be broke, because 5 wouldn't be there. If this was 2, light pink, indexing itself, this would be 5. Oh, and that would be 3. So no, that wouldn't be broke. That would be 4. Red and green would be 3, 4. Okay. That seems alright then. This could be 6. But this is gonna be green or red. If this cannot be green or red. Right. This is green or red. Because the 1, 2, 3, 4 can't be here, or else it would block everything again. This is the green or red. Therefore, this is the pink. That is 6, 7, 8, 9, but it is not 6 now. Because it would block that entire 6 from that index. Oh, this is quite hard. Wow. Okay. So this is not 6 now. Dark purple could still be 6. If this was 6, it would be indexing itself. And it would be dark purple. Dark purple would be there. Yeah, could be there. Oh no, couldn't. 6. If this was 6, then purple could not be there. But I don't know if it's 6. Purple would be there if it was. That would be okay though, because purple could be here. Okay. Where's the other? Oh, right here. Yellow and dark purple can still be 6. That means 6 is in this row here, or whatever that's worth. Is that worth anything? Possibly. If this is 8, that has to be 8. That would be alright. That would be 4. Okay. Alright. What else then? This green red is not going to have a double here. So this could be brown, could be bright pink. Oh, well, no, can't be doing that. Or could I? Because it could be this one. It could be dark purple, dark blue, or bright pink. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Yeah, it's dark blue, dark purple, or bright pink. Oh, it's not dark purple. So it's dark blue or bright pink. But does both of them go there? Dark blue or dark pink? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 8. What other color am I missing? Brown? Yeah, brown. So it's dark blue, bright pink, or brown is what it is. So, what about here? It probably has a lot. Yellow's in one of these. Yellow's in one of those. One of those. Getting a lot of colors on the board, making it look a little bit chaotic. This color it's dark purple, it would go here. It's dark blue, it would not. Well, how about that? Alright. What else do we do? Need to roll some numbers out. Maybe... Oh, they're already rolled out. Where does the 6 belong? Can the 6 go here? If it did, 6 would have to go there, and it would have to belong to dark purple. That would be okay. Dark purple would go there, there. Six would be the 7. Wait, what? Oh, right. The 7 would go there. So the 9 would go there. Yellow would be 8. That would be okay, I think. And then, but then, dark purple would be up here. And then, but then would it be down here? Am I sure that would be dark purple? There's dark purple right there. That's where it would go. Yeah. It's all good. Oh, it also put 1 down there. It's like pink. Didn't that break something? Oh no, that didn't. It did not. Okay. Alright, what else? Seven. I want less than a 2x2 to work with. What numbers can we hit here? Right, it was dark purple and then the red or the green. Maybe think of some numbers, perhaps. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 2. I don't think I can sort anything out of the index by that. I could from this digit. This has to be a high number, doesn't it? Or well, it has to be 7, 8, 9 specifically, but it cannot be dark purple. It cannot be brown. It cannot be bright pink, so it has to be yellow, doesn't it? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's only 4 of them. Yeah. There we go. That is pink. That is yellow. And now yellow cannot be 6 either. It is 7, 8, 9. Now we have our 6. Oh my. Oh, and yellow's only 7 or 8. Ah, and now we got 2 digits out of that. So it makes dark purple 6. Brown and yellow are making a 7-8 combo wombo. That makes bright pink 9. It indexes itself. All bright pinks are 9. All dark purples, I only have 1 so far. Okay, that got us a little boost to going. These will be a 9. There'll be a bright pink down there somewhere. This it just cannot be 8. Right. What does that mean? Dark purple? I guess not. No, maybe not. Oh, but look here. Oh, no. Oh, that's close, though. If this was dark purple, it rules out everything but that. Light pink must be up here. A 9. And that's gonna do it for light pink. Bright pink I meant. Light pink still has some places to see. This will be one of them. One of those spots. Light pink. Ah. And that will also put, oh, it's already there. But it will take it out of that. It's going to be there. So that is not light pink. This is light pink. Light pink, of course, is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 9, 8, 7, 6. So 6. But now I can say the dark purple does not go there. Oh, no, I can't. Never mind that. I can say it doesn't go here, but it could go there. Dark purple did go here, the 8 one would go there. Brown or yellow, that would be alright. But not if it's brown. Yellow would have to be 8. I can't rule it out though. Light blue, 5 is in one of these spots. So it is not there. Also dark purple is not there. Dark purple could still go there. Potentially. Oh, but it can't go here. Now that we know dark purple 6. But 5 is here. 5 is of the lightest blue. 5. It's in that one, so it's in all 4 of those at once. So it only needs to be down here somewhere. Light blue is 5, isn't it? And what number is that indexing? Self. This can't be dark purple, because that would have to be 7. So that is dark blue. And this is dark purple. And now dark purple has found its way into this box. It needs to be down here somewhere. And that cannot be 6. It will be in one of these boxes, but it must be in one of these as well. Okay. That is a 6. There will be a 6 in one of these, and that cannot be a 6. So now we know that it does have to index itself, or it will not be on the line. So this is not dark purple. That one is dark purple. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's gonna have to be that one then. Or else it will not appear on the line. So that is like pink. This is not. What other small numbers are missing? It's a dark blue, isn't it? Which must go here. Only spot it can go. And then it'll be the green red going whichever way around it goes. And I don't want to double. Well, I guess I could say it could go. It would be like that. But that kind of makes it a triple there, so to speak. Which gets a bit chaotic on the eyes with the color, but not too bad, I suppose. This will be a yellow. Yellow's already here because of that cell. And then yellow will be up there somewhere. Brown could still be 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got that marked. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 is also in such a manner. I've got a 7, 8 pair in this row. Of numbers. Wait, is that? I guess that would be truthful. Wait, would it be? Does it have to be? This could probably be 1, 2, 3, or 4 still. Couldn't it? I don't know if I believe that being a 7, 8 combo there. I want to. I don't know if I do. I'm gonna think of different color for now. What is left in this 3x3 is probably a nice question. Just the green and the red. So maybe not. Oh, dark blue will go up here, looks like. Dark blue's already on that big index. There's a green and red missing from this still. So there is a 1, 2, 3, or 4 with that. Don't have any small numbers yet, do I? That's indexing itself. Okay. Oh, this is a... Oh, that's indexing itself too. Alright then. How about... Well, this one is not this one. So it goes here. So now what's this missing? Is it a brown? It is a brown, isn't it? So that's a 7, 8 right there. Is this a 7, 8? It says those two. 3, 4, 5, 6. I have green and red. I need dark purple. Dark purple goes in one of those. Now I need brown and what? Is it blue? It is blue. Brown, light blue. Brown and light blue. So this is green. Oh, wait, was that right? Yeah. That is green. Now this is red. And this is light blue. So this is 5. And then the 5th digit is 4. From the index telling me that. So green. I only got one more for sure green, but it's 4. But that's 1, 2, 3. The 4th. Oh wait, what? Yeah, the 4th digit is 3. Red becomes 3. I don't have any more reds either, for sure. 5, 4, 6, 3, 4. But this will be a 1, 2 now. Pink is 1, 2. This is 3, 4. So this is 3. Oh yeah, that one is for sure red. Oh well, this one is green then. So the third digit is a 2. So now we got blue as a 2. The second digit is a 1. The fifth digit is a 3. The fourth digit is looking at itself. And now I think we've maybe have done it almost. Let me fix some of these. That is green. This is red. That's light blue. That is light pink. Is that all of them? This is green. That looks kind of good, I guess. This will be 5, 7, 8. And this will have a 6, 9. I'm still wondering about this silly thing. Oh, well, let's do this first. Red will go here. Well, okay, now I'm for sure about it then. Red goes here, so brown cannot, because it made a pair. So this is brown now. It was a pair the entire time. And the last color is green. So that'll be 4. That'll be 7, 8. There'll be a 3 there somewhere. And, oh, the fourth digit is 8. Okay, now we have our browns. And our yellows as well. The first digit is 6. And I think the third digit is 7. And then that'll be... Oh, no. Back it on up. 5. This is 5, 6, 7. The second digit is 7. And that'll be a small number, a self-referencing 3. So that will be red. Well, I think I can go without colors now. We are nearly there. And that was I found pretty complex pattern puzzle there by ChinStrap. Nice one, called Compression Algorithm. Check it out yourself in the link below. And like and subscribe if you enjoyed. I do appreciate the views. This will be the 3. This will be the 6. And we have a 2 and an 8. No, 2 and a 1. So that'd be like that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and bye-bye.